Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the Google Meets icon and feature in your Gmail account. So Google Meets, it's similar to Skype or Zoom in the sense that you can create video meetings and basically invite different people, have international dial-in numbers, recordings, live streams, and so forth. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Gmail account and then select the gear icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath the apps in Gmail, chat and meet, select the blue customize button. And where it says choose which apps to use in Gmail, if you want to enable this feature, you want to check mark where it says Google Meet. Otherwise, if you wanted to remove that, you could just uncheck that option. And then you would select done. You will need to reload Gmail here, or at least the web page for this change to take effect. So let's go ahead and reload it here. And that's pretty much it. So you can see there's a Meet button now over here on the left side, and that's all you had to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.